Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix VLC player lagging and skipping when playing 4K or 1080 pixel HD videos. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Open your VLC media player. Guys, you can see here tools option. Just click on this. In bottom you will find preference. Just click on this. Guys, in the bottom you will see show setting. In this you can see two options, simple and all. Just click on all. You need to scroll down a little bit. You will find video option here. You have to select the video option. Guys, you can see here output modules. Just select this option. In right section you can see here video output module. It should be automatic. After that, save. Again you have to open tools. Click on preference. Click on all. Guys, in this you have to find input and codecs. Just click on input and codec. In right section you have to find advanced. You can see here advanced option. In this you will find file caching ms. Guys, if it is 500, just make it 1000, or it is 1000, then make it 2000. You have to double the value. After that, click on save and close window. And the third option is, again you have to click on tools option, go to preference, click on all. You have to find input and codecs. Just click on this. Guys, in this below you will find video codecs. You have to double click on this. Guys, you can see here FFmpeg. Select this option. Guys, in right section you can see here hardware decoding. It should be automatic. If it is not, then select as automatic. You can see here thread option. By default it is 0. You have to change the value by entering the 2 number. After that you will find x264. Just select this option. Guys, in this you have to find number of reference. Guys, you can see here number of references frames. Here the value should be 3. After that, click on save, close the VLC media player and try to play the HD or 4K video. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix VLC player lagging and skipping when playing 4K or 1080 HD video. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.